Everyone, myself Ruchika Rathi. I am a business intelligence professional trainer having 9 years of IT experience. So, what is business intelligence? Business intelligence comprises the strategies and technologies used by enterprises for the data analysis and management of the business information. Common functions of a business intelligence include reporting, online data processing, data mining, dashboard development, and so on. Business intelligence also support enterprises for a wide range of business decisions, that is, operational decisions or any strategic related decisions. So, looking at the pace with which a business intelligence is growing on, we would recommend to step forward and increase your knowledge for different tools which come under a business intelligence platform, out of which the highly recommended tool is Power BI. Power BI is a tool designed by Microsoft. It has all those features which is needed to serve a purpose of a client. It is one of the fastest growing tool. Power BI is an advanced tool which is used by many foreign and Indian companies. If I have to name few Indian companies which are using Power BI, they are Accenture, Cognizant, Hexaware, HCL, Dell, and so on. So, come forward and increase your knowledge with Power BI and keep reporting. Thank you so much.